H-1B and O-1. Both are working visa offered to foreign worker in the United States. So H-1B we know have limited quota. Every year we have H-1B lottery, and less than 25% of the H-1B participant will have a quota. So there are a lot of uncertainty on the H-1B. O-1 has no quota issue, so you can apply anytime. H-1B has prevailing wage requirement, which means your employer is required to pay a minimum wage in order to hire H-1B worker. O-1 has no such requirement. So in terms of the financial burden, O-1 is much better than H-1B. H-1B has maximum 6-year working period on the H-1B. During this 6 year, unless you have a green card application ongoing, your H-1B is qualified to be extended beyond 6 years. Otherwise, once 6 years runs out, you have to switch to other working visa or leave the country. O-1 has no working period limitation. You can extend your O-1 forever. Right after H-1B lottery was complete in March 2022, USCIS announced a few favorite policy regarding O working visa. Specifically, there are a few updates regarding STEM majored students. This favorite policy indicates that U.S. government needs to return as many O talents as possible. Major updates related to STEM major students is under O requirement, if you have national or international awards, you won't meet one of the requirements under O. Under the new policy, if you have awards during your PhD study, this kind of awards was not considered the qualified awards based on the old policy. But under new policy, the awards you got while you study in school could be considered national or international award to meet O requirement. Second of all, if your title does not indicate any leading role or senior role, as long as you have other evidence such as reference letter to prove that you played a key role in your project, you will meet leading role requirement as well. And O also requests you to continue working in your field. But if your current field is slightly different to the older one, as long as they are overlap, as long as you can apply your skill and knowledge gained from the old field to the new one, your new field will meet this continue working in the same field requirement. So 2 days ago, on top of all those favorite policy, USCIS added one more, which is if your name is mentioned in a research grant from government funding, that's a big, strong indication that of your leading role in the field. So all those favorite policy, the purpose is only one. STEM majored international students, especially if you have PhD degree, please try O working visa, because USCIS is going to be very encouraged to give you approval if you have met 3 out of 6 requirements under O requirements.